convert the decimal number 187 to hexadecimal. All right, so hexadecimal is base 16. Okay, so what we want to do is, first thing is, we want to write out these hexadecimal place values. Okay, now I know that 16 times 16 is 256, right? So this number is only be a 2-digit number in hexadecimal, right? So we're going to write 16 to the 0 power and 16 to the first power. Remember, 16 to the second power is 256, so we probably don't need to go to a 3-digit number here. Okay, so what is the next step then? Right, the next step is we need to determine how many times, right? How many times 16 goes into 187 without going over. Okay, so we can certainly, well, let's try that, right? 16 times 10, I know that's 160, right? 16 times 11 is 176, and 16 times 12, right? That's going to be 192, right? And we can keep going here, but I can stop here because, okay, this number here, right, the 176, right, that is smaller than 187, but the next number above it is 192, and 187 is bigger than that, right? So I know that 16 times 11, right, 16 times 11 is 176. So then what number is remaining? Okay, well, okay, 187 minus 176 is 11. Okay? So then that means I put 11 here. Okay? Well, wait a minute. Remember, this has to be a single digit, right? So we can't put like an 11 here and 11 here, okay? It has to be a single digit. So how do we take care of this issue? Okay, so any number bigger than 9, right, has to be denoted by a letter, right? So what do we mean by that? Well, the number 10 is represented by the letter A. The number 11 is represented by the letter B, and so on and so forth. You got to be careful though, right? When do we stop? We actually stop at 15, okay? Because 16, right, would mean that we have to go to the next place value, okay? So we can only go 16 to the 15th power here, whatever number that is, right? And then we can't put a 16 here, okay? That would just mean we go to the next place value. All right, so what does that mean then? Well, 11 in hexadecimal is denoted by the letter B. So the final answer here is 187 as a decimal is equal to the number BB in hexadecimal.